Skype introduces new Meet Now feature to rival Zoom, allows quick video conference calls. Skype has introduced a new quick and easy way to conduct conference video calls, with the Microsoft-owned service probably making the move to compete with popularity of Zoom and House Party. The company is calling this new feature Meet Now, and it enables the host to start a group conversation without downloading the app or sign-ups. Meet Now enables the user to generate a unique link with just one click, and this link can be shared with others whom the host wishes to invite. The group call can then start seamlessly, with all Skype features available during the video conference. With this feature, Skype looks to combat competition from Zoom as the latter has gained a lot of traction recently. After several countries enforced social distancing to curb the spread of the coronavirus, video apps like Zoom and House Party have gained sudden popularity. Skype has introduced a new free conference call service called Meet Now that enables users to start a video group call easily. It doesn't require parties to sign up or download Skype. The admin needs to just generate a free unique link with one click, share it with participants and begin the meeting. The other user doesn't need to have Skype installed on their devices either, to be able to join the meeting. The link opens up in your browser, and starts the call immediately. Interestingly, this link never expires, and can be used anytime. This free conference call service enables users to access all Skype features like recording the call and saving it for later review, blurring the background before entering the call, and other screen sharing features. As mentioned, you don't need to have a Skype account, just the unique link is enough to access the video conference call. Furthermore, this feature works on any device, so you can join the meeting on your preferred gadget. Skype also notes that meetings have no expiration date, so you can create your meetings ahead and join anytime. We will hold your call recordings for up to 30 days and shared media even longer. As mentioned, with this new Meet Now feature, Skype looks to rival Zoom, another video conferencing app that has risen to fame in these past few months. Zoom has also introduced new security features to prevent unwanted hacking and pranksters from entering video conferences, many cases of which have been reported recently. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.